What is up, guys? It's your boy, the Life of Soul, aka the bodybuilding banker. Landed at the airport in Bristol, flying to Barcelona. Looking forward to it, excited. We've already got plans when we land, but just wasting away really at the airport. I promise I'll have a lot more energy later. Catch you guys in a bit. I really didn't want to have to buy food at the airport, but I ended up getting it. I don't trust the plane food. I trained as well, so the muscles are hungry. Here we go. The finest girl in the land. Whoop, whoop. What is up, my people? It's your boy, the Life of Soul. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I didn't even have time to speak to you guys this morning. But you know when you're on holiday mood and you get into that bed, especially if you go into a good hotel, you just sleep. And then when you get a good night's sleep, it feels like you're making up for all the previous nights. You know me, guys. I work hard to make these videos. I've also got my business. I've also got my job. So I'm just relaxing. I'll do my best to show you content. Please bear with me. We have booked a massage, which I'm excited about. I personally get quite a few massages regularly. I get it from my massage practitioner, Neves. I'll put her details here. Also, that's therapeutic. That's more injury prevention and helping me perform the best in gym, in my job. But this one's purely relaxation. And so I'll show you what I can show you. Looking forward to it. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you in a bit. And here we are, guys. New wide. Thai spa, looking forward. Let's take off my shoes and then get some slippers. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, Queen. Ooh, how you rating the tea?
Oh, it's nice, eh?
Go on, baby. A nice tea after a wonderful massage. What are you saying? Out of 10, what would you give that?
10.
10. Amazing couples massage. New ad, Barcelona. I'd highly recommend it. Whew. And some tea to finish it off. actually good. It's actually really good. It's red berry. This looks like, I don't even know what it is. It's good. So they gave us vegetable instead of duck, and we got another one again. Here we go. Woo, about to eat. Are you excited, baby? Come on. She can't wait. That's the third set of spring rolls. Trying to dig in. Let's go. Joining you live from Barcelona Beach. I came here 5 years ago. I couldn't quite remember until I went on the beach and I had that nostalgic feeling. I was definitely in a different place. Now I'm here, hungry. Haven't done much walking. Now I'm going to go on the beach and just enjoy it. There's a lot of noise, so I'm going to have my food and catch you guys in a bit. Peace. Thank you very much. Sangria. Oh, yes. I wanted to get beautiful people, a lot of English tourists. Second Corinthians 5:7 says, we walk by faith and not by sight. And that's the problem with a lot of you guys. You go on what you see rather than what you believe. Conventional wisdom tells us seeing is believing. Understand the word of God, believing is seeing. If you look at Hebrews 11:1, it says, now faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. That means now, right now. Not when your path gets clearer, not when you make more money, not when you buy that house, not when you get married, not when you think you're ready, but now. This is why you should have mindsight over eyesight. The word tells us his thoughts are higher than our thoughts, his ways are higher than our ways. As the rain falls down and waters the earth, so his word will come down and not return to him void. So obedience is the way we access heaven on earth. Have faith, be disciplined in what you do. Don't just wish it, because we know faith without works is dead. Work towards it and bring the spiritual into the physical. Most people get it wrong. They feel it's the other way around.